The Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction (BIFR) came into existence in answer C 1987. The banks are required to maintain a certain ratio between their cash in the hand and total asset. This is called answer B statutory liquid ratio (SLR). Fiscal deficit in the union budget means answer C. The sum of budgetary deficit and net increase in internal and external borrowings. The average rate of domestic saving gross for the Indian economy is currently estimated to be in the range of answer B 20 to 25%. The current price index base 1960 is nearly 330. This means that answer C weighted means of price of certain item has increased 3 to 3 times. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in the year answer C 1949. How many banks were nationalized in 1969? Answer B 14. Subsidies means answer D payment made by the government to business enterprises without buying and goods and services. Notes on which denomination has the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi printed on them? Answer D. All of the above. In India, rural incomes are generally lower than the urban incomes. Which of the following reasons account for this? Answer A. First, second and third. In India, the first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881 was answer B. Ahud Commercial Bank. National expenditure includes answer D. All of the above. Devaluation of currency will be more beneficial if answer B. Price of export remain constant. National Agriculture Insurance Scheme replacing Comprehensive Crop Insurance Scheme was introduced in the year answer C 1999. In India, inflation measured by the answer A wholesale price index number. Resurgent India bonds were issued in US dollar, pound sterling and answer B Deutsche Mark. Of the gross tax revenue of the union government, the direct tax account for nearly answer C 65%. The annual yield from which of the following union government tax is the highest? Answer D. Excise duties.